Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will learn how to create a message box in Microsoft Visual FoxPro. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. We have here a form 1. So to create a simple message box, let us double click this form, and then the procedure we have here, load. So we type message box, and then whatever message that we want to put, no, this is Visual FoxPro. Double quotation and close. Control W to save, and then let us play, no, or run the form. Save, yes. Here we go. This is Visual FoxPro. Okay, and then we terminate our program. So that's it. The keyword is message box, and then whatever text that you want to put inside the message box. Save and run the form in this example. Okay guys, so this is the end of my short tutorial video on how to create a message box in Microsoft Visual FoxPro. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.